Hello friends and crafters, and welcome to our St. Valentine's Day YouTube hop. This hop is hosted by Sherry Wolfe of Craft, Pray, Repeat. Our hop will run from February 2nd, which is today, until midnight Eastern Standard Time, February 8th. Each of the hop participants is offering up a prize, and the winners will be announced in videos that will go up on February 11th. In order to be eligible for the prizes, you must comment and subscribe to every one of the hop participants. Subscribers are eligible to win more than one prize, which means that I could pull a name and Sherry could pull the same name, and you would actually win both prizes from each of the channels. I am offering a $25 deposit to your PayPal account or a $25 gift certificate to the store of your choice. For today's projects, I wanted to share with you what I created. I'm going to start with this project right here with this die that I created. It's the Recollection House die that I've showed before that you get at Michael's. It comes with the house die, which is one piece, and then it has, let me see if I can get it, it's stuck here behind the house. It has a shingle die, and mine happens to be stuck. There it is right there. That's the shingle, and that's the house. You just have to cut one of these out to assemble. Alright, and this is the Valentine house I created, and if you've been following me, you know that I made a fall themed, I made a gingerbread theme, I did a pink snowflake theme, and now I'm on to a Valentine house. So what I used here is some foam hearts that come from the Dollar Tree, and the same tree die that I showed before to make the trees in the back and the little Michael's bottle brush trees. And this little bear right here comes from Hobby Lobby, and this love little piece here is something from my stash. And I covered an empty ribbon spool as the stand for my little house display, and this is basically what I've been using for all of them. So I could actually have November, December, January, and February. So of course you know March will be St. Patrick's Day. Alright, and then I'm going to show these next. These are some cups that I created with this Brenda Walton die. I'm going to show it to you. I know you've probably seen this before. This is one of my favorite dies. It's Brenda Walton, and it is 658351, and it is called Teacup 3D, and it's a Biggs L die. So I cut them on double-sided paper. I have the Be Mine paper pack from Recollection that has double-sided paper that I did not use last year, so I took it out to create these. And the die comes with this little tea bag cut, and I just put a little red heart on there, and I will turn it over slowly, and you can see that I stuck some tulle in there and some crinkle paper in there as well. And then this image, this vintage image right here, is from K & Company ephemera, and what I did was I mounted it on a piece of wire, so it is stuck in there, it's glued down. And then I took a couple of the ephemera roses that were in the pack and mounted it to the back in order to cover up the wire. And what we have here are some foam sparkly hearts from the Dollar Tree that I attached with toothpicks in the center. So what I did was I took a heart and put the toothpick in the middle with hot glue and then glued another heart on top. And then I stuck it in here, and you can see it's not going anywhere. So I did the large and the small that are in the packs. This right here is something I had in my stash. I think I got that at Michael's maybe last year. I created this rose with a Marianne Creatables die. It's a rolled rose. And then this has been popping up in a couple of videos. It's a Doris like flourish die, and I put it in there for added interest and detail with another rose that I created with a Marby punch down here. And you can see that I used some sequin trim on the cup. It came out really cute. Now there is enough room in the back here for gift giving to stick some chocolate hearts in here or kisses or something like that. If you want to give it away like that, and then it can be used as a display decorative home decor project for years to come. I have this one, which I created in pink, just to give you an idea of the different color variations. And that's that tag with the red rose, basically the same thing. And then I have this one here, which is a pink and red cup with some gold rhinestone trim that I had, and to go along with the gold I put the flourish in there. Like I said, it has room enough to stick some kisses and chocolate hearts in there, or some of those delicious bonbons. So that was that project. And then I have another project for you right here, and this is an altered mailbox, and this is the actual mailbox that I altered. I have several of these. They came from the, you can see it says $1 right there. It comes from the dollar bin over in Target a few years ago. I bought several of these, but you can get the paper, cardboard, paper mache or whatever little mailboxes at the Dollar Tree right now. So I altered this mailbox, and I will lift it up so you can see that I actually spray painted this candle holder, and you can get these candle holders at the Dollar Tree. I spray painted mine white and mounted this pretty pink pearlized trim on there. And then I took some of those sparkly foam hearts from the Dollar Tree and mounted a rose that I made on top. And then I will tell you that I did paint over this glass with Mod Podge because I did not want to risk nicking the white paint off of the glass. So that's what I did with that. And as you can see here, there is a circle, gold circle die with a doily here that is from Spellbinders. And then I have a foam heart with one of my handmade roses on the top. And this is also a handmade rose in that Doris flourish. And these are just some stickers. And this pink pretty trim is from Hobby Lobby. And I've got this, the back matches the front. And then I've got some more stickers here, and I decorated the little flag. And what is on top, let's see if we can maybe lift this up a little bit. Yes, what is on top right here is this die. I'm sorry, I'm going to be shaking this a little bit because I'm holding it. Is this die right here from the Scrapping Cottage Cuts Filigree Cupid, and it was cut with 1 10-pound paper, and then I cut it on gold paper and applied it so it's pretty stiff, it's durable. And then I put some more heart stickers around that, and some ribbon and a rose and a little Happy Valentine's Day that I showed that is in the cups. I tried to coordinate everything together. Now I'm going to put this down so that I can open this and show you that I loaded this up inside. I probably won't be able to get the top the cover off easily. What I should have done is try to take it off before I started this. So that's the cover. So what I did was I filled this with tags, Valentine's tags, and it fit 6 really well. If I didn't use the bows on all the tags, they probably would have fit more than 6 in there. So I will show you these tags. This is a little telephone. It says hello. This is a Cottage Cuts dies, and I will go over the dies after I show you all the tags. Then I did this one here with some things from my stash, and these are those red foam hearts. And then I did this one, which is the same as the top with the Cupid. It coordinates. And all my bows are My Creative Time. They are the small, I believe. This here is another Cottage Cuts die. It is Mr. Snuggles. And then I did this one with some rolled roses, little cup of hot cocoa with a heart on it. And then I have the Cottage Cuts typewriter. All very cute. I will show you the dies, and I'll show you this one again. It's from Cottage Cuts, and it is the Filigree Cupid. Then we have the Cup of Love, and I did this one right here. I have the typewriter, Mr. Snuggles, and the telephone. And those are what I used. Again, to reiterate, please be sure to subscribe and comment on all the hot participants in order to be eligible for the prize. I am giving away $25, a deposit to your PayPal, or a certificate to the store of your choice. Thank you everyone for watching. Happy Valentine's Day to you. And until next time, happy crafting.